Hello everyone, this is your Amit sir, and I welcome you all in the second part of the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is all about the famous scientist Albert Einstein and his humanitarian approach of the life. And we have seen so many details related with Albert Einstein in the last video. If you have not seen that video, I will give you the link of that video in the description box. First you check out that video, see that video, and then come to this video. So today's lecture I will start from that point where the last video was ended. This is the page where I have stopped the last video. We have seen that young Albert falls in love with Mileva Merrick, and he got a job in the patent office of Bern. So this was the last introduction. Then the special theory of relativity came. Theory of relativity is a very famous theory of physics, and it's like a it's like a same development of physics, a same development of theory as Newton has produced the law of the laws of motions and gravitational law. So we can see that the special theory of relativity according to time and distance are not absolute. For example, two perfectly accurate clocks will not show the same time if they come together after a journey. That means if two clocks starts a journey from the same time, and in the two different directions, they will not show the same time when they take a rotation of the world, and they will come to meet again. It describes the Albert Einstein had given a very famous formula of energy. Energy is equivalent to mass and speed of light, mass and square of speed of light. It's between mass and energy. Energy is equal to mass and speed of light square. E stands for energy, M stands for mass, and C stands for speed of light in vacuum. What is the speed of light in vacuum? It's a 3 lakh kilometer per second. So this was the greatest work of Albert Einstein in physics. Einstein was falling in love with Mileva Merrick, but the mother of Einstein was not ready to accept Mileva as her daughter-in-law. Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, but his private life was not so cool, not so in good condition. He wanted to marry with Mileva. वह मिलेवा से शादी करना चाहते थे, but his mother was against it. She thought that Mileva is too old for him, because Mileva was older than 3 or 4 years older than Albert Einstein. But the pair finally married in Jan 1903. They had 2 sons also, and the life was going very happily. But because Mileva was very conscious for her career, so the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Einstein married his cousin Elsa in the same year. So it's a life of Einstein. Einstein got a Nobel Prize also. Einstein's new chapter brought him world fame when he got the general theory of relativity in 1950, and an solar eclipse proved that theory in 1919. The accuracy of the theory of relativity was proven by a solar eclipse in 1990. 19. The newspaper called his work a scientific revolution. He received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He received humorous, honorous, and invitations from all over the world after that. After getting the Nobel Prize for Physics, Einstein became a very famous person in the world. He immigrates to US. You know why? He was having a citizenship of Germany, but in 1993, in 1933, Einstein immigrated to United States. 5 years later, nuclear fission was discovered by Nazis in Berlin. It upset American physicians. They were afraid that Nazis would build and use an atomic bomb because it was a time when the whole world was in a very great depression, because it's a time of the setting of the Second World War, and the Second World War was started in 1939, and before the Second World War in 1933 the atomic fission and the formula of atomic bomb was developed. So Einstein was very worried about this concept. So Einstein wrote a letter to FDR. FDR means Franklin D. Roosevelt, the president of that time of America, not to use the atomic bomb. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of destruction because this time he wrote a public letter to the United Nations, and in that he proposed to make a universal government, a world government, but this did not prove effective. Einstein in the next decade involved himself in politics. He wanted to bring an end to the arm build-up. He worked for peace and democracy. Einstein was very careful, very serious to spread the humanity and peace in the world, and that's why he worked so much. Even when the atom bomb was blasted on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was deeply shaken, he was very disturbed, and he advocated to develop a world government which can control the all countries of world. Einstein dies. Einstein dies. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was celebrated as a visionary and a world citizen. The whole world accepts him as his citizen, as its citizen. And his one famous saying is, "Peace cannot be kept by force." That means putting lots of effort. You can't put the peace in the people and in the countries. It can only be achieved by the understanding. If you are able to understand that what is the importance of peace, what is the importance of harmony, what is the importance of humanity, then the importance of peace, then the importance of brotherhood will be spread in the world. So this was all about Albert Einstein. If you have any doubt, you can call me, you can DM me, or you can give a message in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubts. Till then, have a nice day, enjoy learning, goodbye.